Way down in the jungle, what do I see? A lion playing drums beneath a big tall tree. Boom, boom, bang, hear the jungle beat. Come on everybody, stomp your feet. Jungle boogie, clap and sway. Join the fun, don't delay. Swing your tail, stomp and play. It's the jungle boogie parade. Here comes a monkey jumping up high, shaking maracas as he swings by. Chicka chicka cha, hear the rhythm flow. Wave your hands, let's go, go. Jungle boogie, clap and sway. Join the fun, don't delay. Swing your tail, stomp and play. It's the jungle boogie parade.
Good evening, everyone. A very warm welcome to all present here. Respect the principal, teachers, grandparents, parents, and my dear friends. We, the students of 2nd Standard Finger Millet, are here to present the play, Anansi and the King's Drum. Hope you all enjoy watching the play. Thank you.
Let me introduce the characters. Lion King Dylan, Messenger Fox Brendan, Anansi the Spider Ryan, Elephant Japta Sandeep, Zebra Akshita Janika, Rhino Benisha Subikshan, Leopard Ada Renato. Scurry, Ashbina, Niranjana, John, Adeline, Nigiles, Tiger, Aaron, Felix, Jaden, Monkey, Johona, Bavin, Parrot, Dia, Alligator, Albi, Joel, Mohammed, Rabbit, Aneka, Avantika, Vegasina, Dikshita, Giraffe, Madeline, Vedavashan, Sai Pranav, Panda, Dian, Jervis. Hello Sam. Hello Tara. Where were you yesterday? I was searching you for a long time. I went for a meeting. Our king called all of us for a meeting. No one called me. I am not aware of the meeting. Not everyone came for the meeting. Our king is unhappy. He wants to find a way how to gather all the animals for a meeting. Come, let's go. The Lion King in his throne. I need to talk to them. There is something very important that I have to tell them. Yes, my king. I will be back in a week. That's the problem. I'm getting tired of all this waiting. What do you mean, my king? I mean, every time I call for a meeting, you take a week to arrive here. It looks like this is for a long time. Well, not anymore. We need to find a way to deliver my message faster and to gather more quickly. What to do?
problem and also call all the animals to the palace.
Yes, you are right, Your Majesty. The messenger bows and leaves the Lion King and Anansi.
I am glad you came, Anansi.
Your Majesty, your messenger already told me the problem.
I need your advice and a solution.
I will think about it. I will come back when all the animals arrive.
Very well, Anansi. I will see you then.
The king in his turn, Anansi and all the animals stand in front of him.
Welcome.
We need a big drum, Your Majesty.
What for?
The noise of the drum could be heard in the kingdom. Everybody could hear its sound and they would come quickly.
I like your idea.
Let's make team to make the drum. I will go to the forest to choose the tree. I can cut the trees in my sharp teeth. I can hold the drum with my pointed arm. I can carve the drum. And we can take it.
Good. Start working right away.
All animals work except monkey sleeping under a tree. Anansi, did you see the monkey? Yes, he is sleeping under a tree. He's so lazy. The king's drum is ready.
Who going to carry the drum? This is so big and heavy.
We will not carry the drum. I cannot carry. The elephant should carry the drum. It's big and heavy. He can surely carry it.
I don't think so. It would swing every time I walk. I think you should carry it. You are faster than me.
The drum is too big for me, and besides, my back hurts. What about the alligator? I'm always in the water and my back is wet. We wouldn't want the drum to get wet, right? I see that nobody wants to carry the drum, so I suggest that the one carry the drum should be the laziest one. Who is the laziest one? The laziest one is the one who didn't work to make the drum. I will not carry the drum. Oh no, I won't. Didn't say your name. We were just thinking who are the laziest, and you answered our question. So the monkey is the laziest. You will carry the drum to the royal palace. Oh no, if I knew I has to carry the drum, I would have worked. Now I am the one who has to carry this heavy load. But I deserve it all because I was lazy. Let's work together to share the responsibility and get the job done. Hope you all would have enjoyed the play. Thank you.
Yet again, the second standard finger millets proved their talent on the stage. Let's appreciate them by clapping. That was a wonderful performance. There were a team of teachers who took great effort in training the students, especially Miss Sasikala has deserved a big round of applause. We request our principal ma'am, Dr. Saira Banu ma'am, and coordinator Miss Florence to join the group for photo session.